Bonjour, welcome to this new video. Today I'd like to teach you a little bit of vocabulary that I found on the news online. One is a headline and another one is a comment from someone. So number one, the headline will teach you one way of translating the verb to double down on something when making a statement. And in this headline you see it reads Franck Dubosc en remet une couche sur les gilets jaunes. Franck Dubosc is a French comedian. And en remettre une couche is a way to say to double down on something, d'accord? Probably the main way of saying it. So, Franck Dubosc double downs on the yellow vest, d'accord? Franck Dubosc en remet une couche sur les gilets jaunes because he criticized them the first time and then he did it again. So, il en remet une couche, he doubles down, d'accord? If you want to know really precisely what that expression really means originally, he puts another layer of it. Of criticism, d'accord? Une couche is a layer. La couche d'ozone is the ozone layer, d'accord? This comment here came from an article about Kate Middleton's pregnancy, I think. The vocabulary that I'm interested in here is, first of all, is punaise. Punaise, which is a kind of an old-fashioned way of not swearing to avoid saying putain, which would be pretty much damn it, if you want to offer a different translation. Feel free to post them in the form below. But yeah, so to avoid swearing, you will say punaise. It's a bit old, I think. That shows the person in question must probably be at least 50 years old, I would say. So punaise. Okay, and then that person says, Les journaleux vont en faire des tonnes. Les journaleux is a term that was really created by people on Yahoo, people who make comments and don't like journalists. It's a derogatory way of saying journaliste, obviously. And ils vont en faire des tonnes. That's a way of saying they're going to make a big deal out of it. D'accord? It's not the first way that would come to my mind, but that would be the translation, I would say. They're going to make a big deal out of it. And then, le compte-rendu quotidien de la grossesse de la star. Le compte-rendu quotidien, you could translate by the daily update on the star's pregnancy. La grossesse is the pregnancy. De la star, we do call a celebrity a star, une star, even though I know many of you have learned une célébrité, maybe, but we use the word star a lot more, and definitely not une étoile, okay? We do not say une étoile. I hear quite a few people say, oh, c'est une super étoile d'Hollywood. We don't say that, it doesn't make any sense. Une étoile is in the sky, that's all. D'accord? In this context, you might want to translate la star by the big shot, a big shot, okay? That could work. All right, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so. Share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. And we have the link in the description to access the entire course, which is an absolute thing of beauty. You can subscribe monthly or purchase the whole thing or part of it, the level that you want. And don't forget to download the app for iPad, iPhone, Android. It's all in the description. And you can start learning for free on the go on your cell phone. That's beautiful. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the forum below, and I will see you soon for another video. Salut, à bientôt.